Hello families, today we will be doing lesson 22, session 5. At the end of this lesson, your child will need to log into iReady and take the end of the lesson 22 quiz. Number 1, fill in the blanks, then write less than, greater than, or equal to in the circle. You're going to need to count how many tens and how many ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. So on the line, you're going to need to write that there are 9 tens. And there's 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So altogether, there's 93. Over here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tens. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So 93 and 48. Is 93 less than, greater than, or equal to 48? First, remember you need to compare the tens. So this one has 9 tens and this one has 4 tens. 9 is greater than 4. Therefore, 93 is greater than 48. Number 2, compare. Circle the correct symbol. You have 1 10, 6 ones, which is 16. 6 tens, 0 ones, which is 60. Is 16 less than 60? Is 16 greater than 60? Or is 16 equal to 60? Remember to compare the tens first. 16 has a 1 in the tens, and 60 has a 6 in the tens. 1 is less than 60, therefore 16 is less than 60. For number 3, you need to write less than, greater than, or equal to in the circle for each of the problems down here. So you have 42 and you have 45. First, you look at the tens. 42 has a 4 in the tens place, and 45 has a 4 in the tens place. So then you go to the ones. There's a 2 in the ones place and a 5 in the ones place. 2 is less than 5. Therefore, 42 is less than 45. And your symbol should look like that. Here you have 29 and you have 29. Remember, when the numbers are the same, they are equal to. That is correct. You should have an equal symbol right there to show that 29 is equal to 29. And last, we have 50 and we have the number 36. First, we look at the tens. There's a 5 in the tens place in 50 and a 3 in the tens place in 36. 5 is greater than 3, therefore 50 is greater than 36, and your symbol should be facing that way. Remember that the open part of the arrow faces the bigger number. For number 4, 5 and 6, you need to write less than, greater than, or equal to in the circle. So number 4, you have 74, 74. You know that when the numbers are the same, they are, hopefully you said that, equal to each other. And you should have the equal symbol written in there. Next, you have 85 and you have 87. First, you look at the tens place. You have an 8 here and you have an 8 here. When the number is the same in the tens place, then you need to look at the ones. Here you have a 5 and here you have a 7. is 5 less than or greater than 7? 5 is less than 7. So your symbol inside this circle should be going this way. 85 is less than 87. Then you have 63 and you have 28. First, look at the tens place. Here is a 6, here is a 2. 6 is greater than 2. Therefore, 63 is greater than 28. So your symbol should be going that way. Looking at number 5, you have 71 and 65. 71 has a 7 in the tens place, and 65 has a 6 in the tens place. 7 is greater than 6, therefore 71 is greater than 65. Then you have 34 and 39. You have a 3 in the tens place here and a 3 in the tens place here. So now you need to look at the ones. Here you have a 4 in the ones place, and here you have a 9 in the ones place. 4 is less than 9, therefore 34 is less than 39, and your symbol should be facing that way. Next, you have 48 and 48. When the numbers are the same, they are equal. Correct. You should have the equal symbol written inside the circle there. Number 6, you have 54 and 59. First, you look at the tens place. They both have a 5 in the tens place. So now you look at the ones place. This one has a 4 and this one has a 9. 4 is less than 9. Therefore, 54 is less than 59. Next, you have 83 and 83. When the numbers are the same, they are equal. I hope you said that. So inside here, you're going to put the equal symbol. And lastly, you have 60 and 47. So when you look at the tens place, 60 has a 6 in the tens place, and 47 has a 4 in the tens place. 6 is greater than 4, therefore 60 is greater than 47. We now have finished lesson 22. After you have logged off of this, you're going to need to log into iReady and complete the lesson 22 chapter quiz.